Best virtual classrooms. Number 1. Brain Chase. It is the part of the global treasure hunt that allows the genius kids and the wisest and intelligent teachers to join each other on a single platform to explore the new possibilities and horizons of new dimensions in knowledge. Ages K through 12. Number 2. IdTech. The tech wizards join the newbies and enthusiasts on this virtual platform to make them learn and grow more and more in the field of STEM courses. Children get the chance to learn Python, Java, Minecraft, and Adobe. Ages 7 through 19. Number 3. Varsity Tutors. The expert tutors in the respective fields come to the classroom to train the children in their subjects with the help of great-to-use resources and lectures that last for weeks and keep the children involved and motivated in active learning and understanding. Ages 5 through 18. Number 4. Activity Hero. The students of all ages and classes can join the summer camp with a huge range of topics and subjects. The platform allows elders to do brainstorming and make things easy for the children and students. Ages, all ages. Number 5. MakerCamp. Creations always encourage the creator to do more and every time come up with the innovative and breathtaking creation. This app helps children and adults to learn more and grow more. Ages, all ages.